With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary K.
Hey everyone, this is Gary K, and welcome to another pre-InfoComm edition of my Rants and Raves videocast. This time, I'm joined by, Rob Abbott from Nureva. Rob, how are you?
Yeah, I'm great. How you doing, Gary?
You sound great, which is a good sign because you're a microphone company, and among other things, that you're going to be in the Central Hall in booth 5664.
That's right.
Obviously, and hey, tell me what's new with Nureva. I mean, you guys are usually innovators in audio and all things connecting audio. So tell me what's going on.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're excited to be at InfoComm 2024. We really have four things. The first is a continual focus on great audio, and so the thing that we're announcing here at the show is that we're now Zoom certified for the new Pro Audio spec. So at the beginning of the year, we got certification for Teams for large and extra large rooms, and now we have it for the Zoom Pro Audio spec, and we remain the only integrated mic speaker bar that have accomplished this. So it really kind of highlights some of the technological advantages. Yeah, it's a big deal. We're continuing to focus on our camera tracking and our camera zone functionality. So you'll see things where we're working with companies like Sony, Lumens, Aver, and some newer companies like PTZ Optics and others who have used our sound location data. So that's something we're quite excited about. Continue to expand our ecosystem relationships. You see lots of work with MaxHub, with Logitech, Lenovo, others. And then lastly, we're announcing a brand new product at the show, kind of a new member of the Nureva solution family, and it's the Nureva app. And this is pretty cool because what it lets you do as a customer or an integrator is set up a room without the need for any kind of complicated designer software, right from a web app on your phone or from a tablet. You can do pretty sophisticated things like set up camera zones, multi-camera switching, tune your room for voice amplification, handle problem rooms. So it's, I think, just another example of we're trying to do things in a kind of a fresh, kind of simple way as we bring new products forward.
Congratulations. That setup app will be a game changer because I think that simplifying this so that it doesn't require an audio file, I guess you'd say, or an audio engineer, I think is the key thing, because I think what happens is you have these being deployed in more spaces than ever before. And you've designed them simple, right? You've got your built-in DSP that's really simplified it. So the ability to make it where almost anyone can set it up that has experience with audio is going to be key. Now, will you also do your demos? Because I think a lot of people aren't convinced that these products work until they hear them in booth Central Hall booth 5664.
Yeah, absolutely. We're going to be doing a live demo to an extra large room and doing it, live off the floor. A Teams call is what we're using, hearing is believing. What's cool this year is we're also going to be doing not only the audio demo where you'll see some of our colleagues in a very large room walk around and you'll see how good the speech intelligibility is, the speech consistency is. We're going to also be demoing live the camera zone switching. So we'll do both of those at the same time, so you can experience the audio and the video switching live in the booth. And it's we've become known for that live demo, and we're going for it again this year.
Excellent. I appreciate it. I'm looking forward to it. I love the fact that you guys demoed this in your booth, and the proof is in the pudding. And I've been a big fan since the very beginning. We've had them installed all over campus at UNC, so it's been a very successful product and a deployment. So if you don't know about Nureva, you should check them out at nureva.com, Nureva.com. They're in booth 5664 in the Central Hall at InfoComm 2024. Rob Abbott, thanks for joining me. I appreciate it. Best of luck to you at the show.
Yeah, see you there.
Yep, and all of our InfoComm coverage at ravepubs.com/InfoComm.
With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It Rants and Raves.